Alright, got a C-clamp here. It's pretty rusty. It's mine. It's been outside in the outside workbench, and then it had fallen on the floor, on the ground. It had fallen on the ground. Retrieved and rusted pretty fast, but it is an older one that I have. I like the size of it, so I've seen a lot of restoration jobs. I've done a couple. One of my father's jigsaws and I think one of the toys. But anyways, I'm going to try to do a restoration on this and see how it comes out. It still turns. It's not really bound up. Hard turning, but it turns. We'll see how that comes out. And give it a good try. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do, we're going to clean the C-clamp with some vinegar. Put that in there. As you can see, it is pretty rusty. It's not really, it's workable, but just too much rust on it. It's only going to get worse. And we have some distilled white vinegar. So, bottom of the way, Geronimo. Alright, so let's see how that takes. Today's June 9th, 20 after 12. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we got on the C-clamp. I have some other things in here. This is here's the vinegar. I'm trying the C-clamp on the vinegar and it seems to do well. Looks real good. Here's the C-clamp. It had a lot of rust on it. It had blue paint on it. Drink in Cotton, or Brink in Cotton, 143. Now you can see the letters in the words and dates. 143, mark on it. Made in USA, B and C. So what I'll do is I'll give this a bath, some baking soda and water, stop the vinegar from working on any further. And then we'll go from there. Looks pretty good. Did a good job on the rust. I kind of have some other rust removers. I have that. I've tried that. That's pretty good. And I got another one back here, Vapor Rust. These are really good. The Vapor Rust, safe. So. Alright, so let me take this now, and I'll be cleaning that up, washing it up at least. So, till next time, till next video, next time I have to shoot. But looks good, looking good. Clean it up. The rest is leaving. Now the C-clamps all cleaned up with our water and baking soda and brushed on the wheel, and you can really make out the names now. Brink and Cotton, 143. Brink and Cotton. It's got a triangle here, some kind of logo, icon for the company, and then Made in USA, BBC in a diamond. Oh. So got a little bit more on the wheel, and then I'll be painting it up. This is a painted C-clamp, as you can see. This is the Ford Now one of the metal paint, as you can see, it's Ford Blue. Number 224. This is the color of a lot of the engines and valve covers on the Ford engines. There it is right there. So, looks good. Now this is the finished product. Now, it's not the best paint job I've ever done, but it's all cleaned up. No more rust on it. And the brand is a Brinks and Cotton, number 143. Made in USA. That looks a lot better. Ciao. Ciao.